Hey people, just now I tried doing this recording horizontally, but if I uploaded it also it comes horizontal, it'll be awkward. So literally now these little animals are the real stars of my channel, really. And of course this young man, but this young man now he doesn't agree to come with me to different restaurants. Yeah, so these little guys, we have to find yesterday I connected with this like PS Cafe. It's a cheese cafe, so it's supposed to be pet friendly. Of course, cheese and milk products these my little animals can't eat, but we should just find out pet cafes that are friendly. I mean, cafes that are pet friendly, and we need to go with all 4 of them. Oh God. When they are sleeping, in a very relaxed way, when they start running about, that means they want to probably use the loo or something. So yeah, this is a 1-minute video and I'm so glad I'm shooting it.